If you've been hearing ringing, buzzing, or humming in your ears, especially when it's quiet, you're not imagining it. That's tinnitus, and it affects millions of people after 40. Tinnitus isn't just about your ears, it actually starts in your brain's auditory pathways. When blood flow slows and your inner ear cells become overactive, your brain tries to fill in the silence. It can feel frustrating, isolating, and even exhausting, but the good news is you can calm it naturally. Here's how. Support circulation, regular movement, and hydration help deliver oxygen to ear cells. Reduce inflammation, eat anti-inflammatory foods like berries, turmeric. Feed your nerves nutrients like magnesium, zinc, vitamin C, manage stress. Stress makes tinnitus louder because it triggers your brain's fight or flight response. Thousands of men and women over 40 are using these natural methods and saying their tinnitus is quieter, their focus sharper, and their peace of mind finally restored. Comment buzzing and I'll send my free secret guide to you.